This CUSIMAX Raclette Grill is an exceptional addition to any kitchen, designed to bring the joy of indoor grilling to your home. This electric grill table is perfect for parties, family dinners, and friendly gatherings, offering versatile cooking options and a user-friendly design. In this detailed review, we will explore the features that make the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill a must-have for anyone who loves to entertain and enjoy delicious, healthy meals. Why choose the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill? Choosing the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill means opting for a versatile, high-quality appliance that enhances your culinary experience. Here are some of the key benefits that make it a standout choice. High power output. The 1,500 watts motor ensures efficient and even cooking. Versatile cooking surfaces. The reversible non-stick tray offers both grooved and flat surfaces for a variety of dishes. Adjustable temperature control. Precise heat control for perfect cooking results. Social dining experience. 8 raclette trays for interactive and enjoyable meals with family and friends. Easy to clean. Non-stick surfaces and removable parts make cleaning a breeze. Compact and portable. Lightweight and compact design for easy storage and movement. Excellent customer service. Free lifetime customer service and 180-day return policy for peace of mind. One of the standout features of the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill is its 1,500 watts high power output, which ensures efficient and even cooking. The grill comes with a reversible non-stick baking tray that offers 2 distinct cooking surfaces. The grooved surface is ideal for grilling meats, seafood, and vegetables, providing beautiful grill marks and allowing excess oil to drain away easily. This makes it perfect for preparing healthier meals with less grease. On the other side, the flat surface is great for making crepes, pancakes, and eggs, making it an excellent choice for breakfast dishes. This 2-in-1 grill eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving you time and kitchen space. The non-stick coating ensures that food does not stick to the grill, making it easy to remove cooked food and clean the grill afterward. The CUSIMAX Raclette Grill features adjustable heating control that allows you to customize the temperature according to your cooking needs. The temperature range of 374 to 446 degrees Fahrenheit ensures that you can cook a wide variety of foods, from delicate crepes to hearty steaks, with precision. The grill heats up quickly, and the indicator light lets you know when it's ready to use, ensuring optimal cooking results every time. This flexibility makes the grill suitable for cooking all types of meals throughout the day, whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The ability to control the heat precisely means you can achieve the perfect texture and doneness for every dish. The CUSIMAX Raclette Grill is equipped with 8 heat-resistant raclette trays, allowing you to prepare cheese raclette for up to 8 people simultaneously. This makes it an ideal choice for social dining, where guests can cook and enjoy their portions of melted cheese, vegetables, and other delicacies right at the table. The trays can also be used to keep food warm or to prepare desserts and other side dishes. The non-stick coating on the raclette trays ensures easy food removal and hassle-free cleaning. This feature enhances the overall dining experience, making it more interactive and enjoyable for everyone involved. Portability and ease of cleaning are crucial factors when choosing an indoor grill, and the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill excels in both areas. The grill's reversible baking tray and raclette trays are easily removable, making it simple to clean up after use. The non-stick coating further simplifies the cleaning process, as food residues can be wiped away effortlessly. With a size of 19 by 9 inches, the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill is compact enough to be stored conveniently when not in use. Its lightweight design also makes it easy to move around, so you can set it up wherever you like, whether in the kitchen, dining room, or even outdoors on a sunny day. CUSIMAX is dedicated to providing excellent customer service, offering a free lifetime customer service guarantee and a 180-day worry-free return policy. This commitment to customer satisfaction means that you can purchase the grill with confidence, knowing that any issues or concerns will be addressed promptly. Conclusion: Enhance your home dining experience. The CUSIMAX Raclette Grill is an excellent investment for anyone who enjoys cooking and entertaining at home. Its powerful performance, versatile cooking options, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a family dinner, or simply want to prepare a delicious meal with minimal effort, the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill has you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your home dining experience. Get the CUSIMAX Raclette Grill today and enjoy the convenience and joy of indoor grilling. With its impressive features and reliable performance, this grill is sure to become a favorite in your household. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.